So today we are gonna finish that homework assignment that we started last night. Other than that, hold on, let me change. Let's look for this. I have it. So we only got like 2 questions done since last time, but at least we started it. It's making sense too, so that's good. I do have a quiz on this later though. I have class later at 2:30 today, so. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? Tofu and Kai. My favorite viewers, bro. Bestie! Hey, Kai! Welcome back. What time is it for you guys? I'm assuming it's pretty late, huh? I wasn't here for the past 2 streams. Aw, it's okay. I'm gonna try to stream as long as I can. Or as often as I can. Because there's so many benefits to streaming. Like I feel so accountable, it's so nice that you guys take time out of your day to watch the streams. I really, really appreciate it, guys. I don't know how to convey it more deeply. Disappointed by myself. It's okay, Tofu. For me, it's 11:50 p.m. For Tofu, it's 12:50. Dang. I hope you guys don't pull it all nighter. I would have streamed earlier this morning, but the room was not free until right now, so I try not to stream when it's your sleep time, guys. It's pretty bad if I do that. Why did you stream 2.5 hours? I feel more depressed with the link to the live. Okay, so the thing is, I wanted to stream all day yesterday, and that's just how revenge procrastination works. It's like when you don't get to do what you want, finally when that opportunity comes, you just don't want to stop, because you want revenge for having the whole day wasted on. It wasn't a waste though. I was helping my mom, but for me, it felt kind of like it didn't go in the direction that I wanted. But that's just how it is, you have to get used to. It hasn't hit me yet that my mom is back and my old life is back too. So I can't get used to that life that I had when my mom was away. But they're good and bad aspects to both, I'm really happy that my mom is back. Obviously, she's nice, supportive. I could hug her whenever I want, and she cooks really good. But I gotta help her a lot too, It's not so simple. Free therapy. Aww. I'll sleep around 1 or 2. Alright, Kai. What are you doing? Hello, yes, Shadowed. Welcome to the stream. Today, I'm gonna continue that homework assignment. And then, inshallah, I don't know. Maybe... Actually, no, that's gonna take up the whole time. So, yeah, I'm gonna just try to do the homework for now. Tonight, though, I'll try to catch up with my reading. Dancing? Should I, study with you? Yeah, of course, Kai. That's what I want from my viewers, to be accountable as well. That's why I stream. Why do girls have better handwriting than boys? Honestly do not know. That's quite a phenomenon. Like, I mean, there are definitely some girls that have bad handwriting, but I think it would be worse if they were a guy. I'm telling you. Ghazal is type of poetry. Yay, no mosque means binge watch Julia. Oh, Lana Bassam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the stream. No mosque? What happened today? My handwriting is so bad that you won't be able to recognize any letters. Dang, do you recognize them? Or just... Joya, your math handwriting is so cute. Meanwhile, mine is just... Let's not talk about that. I want to see yours now. So W equals -2 plus 3i, and then Z equals to 4 minus 7i. So we're going to do A, which is W plus Z. Actually, no, that's 1.1.1. Oh, man. No, I ruined my whole thing. Okay, so Z equals X plus YI here, where X and Y are in the real numbers. So to verify that Z plus Z bar equals to 2 in the real numbers of Z, we know that Z is equal to X plus XYI, right? So we have X plus YI plus the conjugate, which is X minus YI, which is equal to 2X, which is equal to 2 in the real numbers of Z, because the real numbers are the X's. So for B, we have to verify Z minus Z bar, which is equal to X plus YI minus X minus YI, which is equal to, well, 2, because YI plus YI equals to 2 YIs. So trying to verify what exactly? That 2I in the imaginary. So that is equal to 2I in the imaginary numbers of Z. As for C, we have the real numbers of Z conjugate is equal to the real numbers of Z. So we have X plus YI to X, and then X minus YI equals to X, and then X equals X. And then for D, we have the imaginary numbers of Z bar equals to the negative imaginary numbers of Z. So we look at the imaginary numbers of Z bar, we have negative YI, and then the imaginary numbers of Z is just YI times the negative YI equals negative YI. And then for E, we have the real numbers of I times Z equals I times X plus YI equals to XI plus, actually, negative Y, because I times I is -1. So we have that equals to XI minus Y. So the negative imaginary, and then the negative imaginary numbers of Z equal to negative YI. You have xi plus negative y. Oh, so that'll just be xi then. And then the negative imaginary numbers of z here. Well, let me see how I did this. Negative y. All the real numbers is equal to negative y. Negative y. Negative imaginary numbers of z is negative yi. Negative y. How's that? Okay, I'm doing f. Imaginary numbers of I times z equals xi, right? Or is it just x? And then the real numbers of z equals x plus yi equals 2x, so x equals x. When it asks you the imaginary number, you don't add the y. I mean the I part. Just hard to grasp. Like, ask ChatGPT just to check. We got 2x for a, right. We got 2iy, or 2yi for b, right? We got x for c, okay. And then for d, it should be just y, and negative y. No I. So when it's asking for the real numbers, or the imaginary numbers, you just add the coefficient for I, like not the I itself. So there we go. Got 1.1.1, and then number 2. Alright, 1.1.4 is the Tartaglia's formula. So z cubed equals, minus 30z minus 36 equals 0. So a here is equal to 1, b equals to negative 30, c is equal to negative 36. But using Tartaglia's formula, we have cube root, of negative c here, which is 36, over 2 plus the root of c squared negative 36 squared. What is 36 times 36? I did it in the back of this. One two nine six. Divided by 27. Uh-oh. That wasn't it. Hold on. So r equals cube root of negative 36 divided by 2 plus square root of c squared 36 squared over 4 plus b cubed negative 30 cubed over 27 plus cube root of negative c, which is negative 36 over 2 minus square root of c squared negative 36 squared over 4 plus b cubed negative 30 over 27. So once we get one side down, it's kind of the same things except there's just one sign difference in the middle of the two coefficients. The two sides. So I did do the work last night a little bit. And that would equal, let's see, cube root of 18 plus negative 676. Haha, 67. 18 minus negative 676. And that equals to cube root 18 plus 26i plus cube root of 18 minus 26i. And then we have to guess what A and B is? I don't understand the next step. Wait, let me look at the chat. Sorry. I was too locked in. Parents' evening, and my parents don't go, so I get the day off. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Wait, from school? That's crazy. What do you do in those 3 days? I got 7 gazelles to write. Which one is 2 pages? Help me. What is gazelle? Like, sounds like essays. Wow. Allah help you, Kai. I hope you enjoy writing. Tofu wasn't up, Lana. Just don't write. That's my advice. So funny I didn't laugh at all. Oh my god. I do recognize my letters, but my teachers don't. They always give me 0 in exams. Dang. That's crazy. You're gonna have to practice a little more. Like, write on the lines and stuff. Don't go. My head hurts so bad for a reason. No, why? Like, bro, what do you mean I gotta write it for my notes? Like, then what are notes for? Dang, I know, right? I think you just have to reference it. I don't know how it works. I don't know, Tofu, definitely not because you, like, pull all-nighters, right? Not because of that, because I sleep for 7 hours in the daytime. Dang, in the daytime. Oh, and I want to do math, too. I like math. Nerd. Hello, Kamal. Welcome back to the stream. How's it going? Good luck on your studies. How you been? I'm great. Awesome. Thank you so much, Kamal. Yeah, I just have this assignment due today, so it's kind of stressing me out because I want to do this while understanding what I'm doing, and because I also have a quiz on it tomorrow. So yeah. Hello, Kamal. I mean, Killer. Welcome back to the stream. Joy, you have people live comments on YouTube. I think you forgot that. I know. I was just doing this for the whole time. But yeah, now I'm giving y'all attention. So, hello, Killer. Hello. I should get my laptop and register and start writing. It's good that you guys study in your own time, like without having a streamer do it with you, you know? Like, y'all are really good. Mashallah. Why is Yuki crying? But honestly, I really like writing. It's like really therapeutic. So I guess because I have more like experience writing because I do it more often, then that's why my handwriting is better. I feel like all the other viewers left, except for the loyal ones, because I was too busy doing the math. I need to go to sleep. Just wanted to say hey. Okay, Killer. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a good sleep and yeah, have a good day tomorrow, inshallah. Not studying while Joria is studying. Cat's Eye lost the Grammys. I've heard of Cat's Eye so many times in the stream. I was like, they're really popular. Dang. Yuki! Bye bye. Freaking love Cat's Eye. Well, if you love Cat's Eye, I guess I do too. Got my register, my laptop, and marker in my glasses. Awesome. Late night studying. Sophia is my bias. I don't really know Cat's Eye members, but I do know it's a K-pop group, like a girl one, right? So, I mean, I did try to understand what the hype was about, but I guess it's like a specific taste for the youth. Yuki's in the way. He was crying so much he wanted attention. Assume cube roots are of the form a plus bi. Uh-oh, he's stepping on the keyboard. Yuki, no. Hey, please. Did he delete the tab? Never mind. Okay. My attention is all over the places. All over the place. He's marching. Okay. So, what was I doing? Okay, so then cube both sides. Okay, so basically, this is a plus bi. And you have to cube it so the cube root goes away. Wait, so they were just guessing until they got it right. That's crazy. Can't believe that's how you find the cube root. Bombelli's idea systematically. Cat's eyes made? Oh, that's your opinion. If there's a fan of something, like really passionate, like when I was a kid, I used to be like, oh, One Direction is so bad. I hate One Direction because there are a lot of fans. Well, that's just to get a reaction. It's like rage baiting. So 18 plus 26i in polar form is r e to the I theta, where r is that which we found here. Oh, okay, so plus 26 squared. The magnitude. Okay, and then 324 plus 676 equals 10, root 10. And then tangent of theta here is 26 over 18. Thirteen over 9. So we know that tangent, or the arctan, is opposite over adjacent, right? Okay, so to recap, we have 10 root 10, which is r, e to, no, not e, r to the e, yeah, I theta. Which, if we do the math here, opposite is 13, adjacent is 9. So 13 squared plus 9 squared equals c squared. C equals square root of 13 squared, 676, right? Plus 9 times 9 is 81, equals the root of 5, 7, 5, 7. Never mind. That's not it. One, not 676. Is square root of 250, which is equal to 5 root 10. And then that's theta. That's not C. Oh, it is. But that's not theta, though. That's just the hypotenuse. So to find theta, we have to find cosine of theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Yeah, so adjacent over hypotenuse. Uncle's crazy. I need a Blackpink Cat's Eye collab to survive. Wow. I wish I was as rich as them, bro. That's crazy how many people are so obsessed with them. Don't get carried out with a bunch of people produced by some company. You'll not even remember them after 1 year. But that's the trend, you know? People get bored, so they just want something else to obsess with. Oh, trust me, I will. That's still your opinion. Of course, that's my opinion. Why bragging this? Okay, okay. I'm still watching though. Okay, Nana. But yeah. That was quite the argument. Well, it's not really an argument, but controversial. So cosine theta. Oh, did we not find theta already? Like, what is this, bro? This is so hard. But I thought we already found C, but apparently the hypotenuse is not. Oh, never mind. That's not theta. Yeah. But we found the arctangent of 13/9, right? Never mind. So cosine theta of 9 over 5/10. That's so hard. Yeah. I'm gonna have to practice this a lot. It's gonna be on the quiz tomorrow. Yo, what happened? Tofu, that's rude. Come on, I know what's going on though. Black and white rabbit? What is that? Oh yeah, that's him. We'll come back to his dreams, Samrat. Oh, thanks for muting that guy. He was being so weird. Please, what? If you're on about cat's eye, just ignore me. I wish I liked something as much as you like cat's eye. It's good to have passion, I guess. So, trying to use Bombelli's thing to find tangent, but it's kind of hard because I forgot. So here's an example that we did here. So the polar form of z is 8 cosine of theta plus 8 sine of theta. Assalamu alaikum, Ukhti. How are you? Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Abdul Khaliq. Welcome to the stream. I'm great. I'm just trying to use Tartaglia's and Bombelli's formulas to solve this problem. But I don't really remember the steps. Even though I'm asking ChatGPT the steps, it's like really complex. Like it's not doing it in the way that my professor did. So it's kind of difficult. So I'm trying to look back at my notes because I do pay attention in class. It's just that I need to practice right after class as well. But it's hard to do that when your brain is fried. So you gotta remember. Okay, I'm back. May Allah make it easy for you. I mean, thank you so much, Abdul Khaliq. May Allah make it easy for you as well. I'll send you a pic when I'm done with the first gazelle. Okay, sounds interesting. Give Joy company. No, it's okay. You don't have to. I'm just studying, like, for accountability purposes. I'm gonna study for 20 more minutes and then get back to this later. Cause I gotta eat. I didn't eat yet. It's like pretty late. Okay, so if you cube a plus bi, you just get a cubed minus 3ab cubed plus 3a squared b minus b cubed I. So this is something to memorize, I guess. No guessing, just equations. So you eliminate b. From the first, and then from the second. I think DeepSeek is better at math than this. Because why is he saying, like, this whole thing and then doing another thing? It's so weird. Subtract a times the second equation. Man, I don't understand this. What are you studying, by the way? I mean, are you in high school? I'm studying complex analysis. So, it's kind of like calculus mixed with real analysis. It's just a lot of math. Like, I'm not good at math though. As much as I do math, like, I do math all the time, but I'm just not good at it. But yeah, I'm not in high school. I don't think they do complex analysis in high school. Maybe they do though, I don't know. I didn't even go to high school. I just like skipped it. Like it's like in California an exam. Like you just take an exam to skip high school. It's pretty crazy. Okay, I think he explained it good the first time. Let's go back to that. I don't like guessing though. Like he's guessing this one. Well, let me try DeepSeek though. So I get all these steps that he's going over until you get to a reduced cubed root. All this part makes sense. But he's also guessing the integers. Why are we supposed to guess them? I'm not good at guessing though. Like, what if you guess wrong and then you have to do another integer? Is guessing easier? I don't know. So man, it's not making sense. Let me hear the question. Oh, welcome to the stream, night 69. Here, let me show you the question. Oh, phone better not drop on my face again. So this is what it looks like. Problem 1.1.4. This part. I'm 32 now. Dang. I think that's the oldest person we had in the chat. In the history of the chat. But not to make you feel like that's a bad thing. That's good. You know, you're smart, I guess. What are you studying, by the way? So easy. Just ChatGPT, bro. No, but ChatGPT is guessing. Like you're not supposed to guess the integers. You're just gonna take up all the time when you're taking a quiz. I wish I could have helped you with it. I was good when I was in college, but it's been over a decade since I graduated. That's crazy. That's crazy. Hello, the Dreamlandy. I don't know what your former name was. I changed my name. Yeah, what was your name before? Let me hear the question. Okay. 6, 7. Dang, I should have known that was the answer, bro. Don't worry, I'll turn 33 in 2 months. But how's like what do you do for work? Like how do you make money at 33? Photo math. Joria, tell her. Huh? El Mondel? Oh, okay. Welcome back, El Mondel. And Photomath does not do this type of thing. I used to use Photomath. Don't worry. Those were good for what do you call it? Distributing and stuff. Doing the foil method. You forgot me? No, I didn't. You ignored my long text. What was it? 89? You register? Peace be upon you, Unc. You're like 30 then? Oh, sorry, I missed that one. So from 5th of February, I'll be busy with my matches. It's 3 months sports tour, so I won't have too much phone time there. But I'll try to join you sometimes, Julia. We'll miss attending daily lives. From 5th of February? That's in 3 days. No, we gotta stream more in the last 3 days. In the next 3 days, I mean. But yeah. I'm a photographer? Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Allahumma barik. Like, I can't believe you can make a living with that. Like, what do you... I love photography. Like, I always take pictures and stuff. But obviously, there's more to it than just taking a picture. It's like shading and all that. I'm doing my homework too. Awesome, El Wandel. Jazakallah khairan wa barakallahu fikum. Night, are you still doing the question or what? He probably isn't, but what's area of a circle? Oh, sorry, I didn't see your question. Dark entities. It's 2 pi r, right? Yeah, I mean pi r squared. Okay, let's continue. Do you have a YouTube channel? Like, do you do videos on photography, Abdul Khaliq, or no? So, I think this is the way that my professor did it. Cube roots in polar form. Let's see. Oh yeah, I did that part. Yeah. So the cube root of U is 10e to the I of theta plus 2k pi, where k is 0, 1, or 2. You just choose any k? I don't think we did that in class. Dang. But honestly, this homework is not graded. It's just like, what was it called? It's just based on attempt. If you tried, then that's good enough. You don't have to get it right. But it's so hard. Like, this is not supposed to be the hardest question. There's 14 other questions. I'm only in number 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Huge problems. But we got this, inshallah. I'll continue to after breakfast. Maybe food will make my brain sharper. Alright, let me look at my notes first, though. Is a point in the plane Oh, so R is magnitude of Z, and theta is the argument of Z. Okay. Then I got the first R part down. So this is a magnitude, yeah. 10 root 10. I should probably have used a pencil, huh? This is crazy. But at least I understand a little bit. So this is capital arc. Bonk GPT? Yeah. It's actually DeepSeek. Bonk is over there. He's hiding behind the screen. He's such a keyboard warrior. Come down to India? Wow. Are you like a wedding photographer? Hey genius, welcome to the stream, Ink Droplets. How's it going? Guys, so sorry I have to go. Okay, bye El Mandel. We got smart people here, dang. No, I do Islamic content on YouTube. My photography is just at work. I don't post them online. Okay, that makes sense. Oh yeah, I remember you said you do Islamic videos. You smoke? But you smoke? Wait, what? How do you know he smokes? That picture was from when I was in college. Oh, okay, that's his profile picture. Mashallah, you quit smoking. But don't expose your sins, you know? You should change your profile picture. R is magnitude of T. T? What is T? What is this? R is magnitude of P. Bruh. Where does P and T come from? And it was, I gotta go, Sister Joy. I need to wake up for Fajr. May Allah make it easy for your studies. Ameen. Thank you so much. Yo, guys. Hey, doggy. Welcome back to the stream. It's only 2 tofu. Alright. Guys, it's poo-poo time. Okay. TMI, but enjoy your calling of nature, I guess. So the argument of Z is actually... I forgot how my professor did it. Instead of all arguments. Wait, I did it here. Example, find the polar and exponential form of Z equals this complex number. So find the magnitude of Z, right? That's -4. But then to find the argument of Z, 2 pi over 3 where did the 8 come from? Oh, hypotenuse. So take the sine of that. Something that's simpler with just integers is the hypotenuse and the adjacent. The cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, right? So cosine of half, yes, this is 1, this is 2, it's pi over 3. Why is it 2 pi over 3 though? Where'd the 2 come from? I think it's because it's the second quadrant, huh? So you go counterclockwise over there, and then you go like that, and it's 2 pi over 3. This is why we were memorizing the unit circle, because you're supposed to know these things. 2 pi over 3. So it's 8e to the I of 2 pi over 3. as the exponential form. But how are you supposed to get 6 for the answer? We know that u is 3 plus I is cubed from earlier, so let's do the trig exactness. Why is he bringing in phi, bro? Oh my god. He's making it more complicated. My professor didn't do this. Let me try to do it on my own without the help of AI because they're so dumb. So, opposite over adjacent. What is that? Tangent? Or is that sine? Opposite over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So tangent here is 13 over 9, but you can't just calculate that, right? How do you take the radius? Find theta. Can't you just find theta using tangent 9 over 13 mentally? Because I forgot. Opposite over adjacent is 13 over 9. Oof. You have to guess. You have to keep on guessing, bro. I hate that guessing game in math. You mean those kids stay on the streets? Hello, I'm an AI detection bot for detecting rude people and putting them into custody for getting mods. Get started mods me. I could also track people's locations so it'll ban their IP if rude. Oh, don't dox people. That's not right. My sister listens to Stray Kids. Hello, Midori. Welcome to the stream. I was busy doing some random things. Yeah. Please do not watch the stream from the toilet. If you need to use it, do not watch the stream while you're doing that. Happy birthday, ma'am. Really, doggy? Wait, doggy, you're a guy or a girl? Now he's happy. Yeah, he was crying. Don't read us? Okay, fine. Wait, what is happening in the chat though? Like, yo, oh my god, Julia. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. But I don't know why Tofu said happy birthday, ma'am. I was like, wait, what? I thought you knew. I did. I was just confused for a moment. But somebody please stop ink droplets from dropping in the chat. Like, no more pooping, please. Okay, so assume the key root of the form a plus b I. Then the key root is that. Oh man, he's guessing again. Can you find it using argc for theta? Because that's so arctangent. Triple angle identity. Substituted by. I did not even know this identity, triple angle identity. Cosine theta is 4c cubed minus 3c, which is equal to that. To find c, you have cubic roots, algebra not guessing. Whoa, this is crazy. My professor did not do that. Alright, I think I'm done. I have to continue this later. My brain is fried. Search it after this stream. Just ignore the 6th and I have more to go. I probably won't do it anyways. I want to be living like a cat. I know, every time I look at him, I'm like, he's having it so easy, but yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go now. Just because I have to eat breakfast, and I'll try this later. Inshallah. Okay, Assalamu alaikum, guys.